My curling iron came unplugged. Ah! Oh my gosh, if my hair could talk, or I guess like if it's could sign language to me right now, it is signing thank you. Thank you, Mom, thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I clapped. Today I am filming my hair care routine slash my 5-minute curls. A couple weeks ago, I posted this picture and I got a ton of DMs and comments asking me how I curled my hair in this picture slash my hair care because it looks so healthy, blah, 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 whatever. And I thought, hey, that's a good idea because these curls literally only took me 5 minutes, but I've learned some tips and tricks along the way to keep my hair as healthy as it is, so I want to share those with you guys. The way my hair looks right now is because I just did my full hair care routine and I am ready to curl it. So before I get into curling my hair, I'm going to explain to you guys the steps I took in order to get my hair feeling super soft and smooth and shiny and yeah. All right, let's get started. This video you are about to see is me before I washed my hair and did anything to it, and as you guys can tell, it is super dull and messy and just gross and needed some help. About a week ago, I got my hair done, and after I get my hair done, my hair usually feels a little bit dry and it takes a couple weeks for the moisture to kind of soak back in. I typically start this moisture repair in the shower, and that starts with my shampoo and conditioner. I use Joico's Moisture Recovery Shampoo, and I only use the shampoo for this step because after I shampoo my hair, I'm going to be using a hair mask. I use my Coco and Eve hair mask, literally called Like a Virgin, because my hair every single time feels so amazing. Super nourishing coconut and fig hair mask. Not to mention it smells like Hawaii. Oh, it is so amazing. As you can see in this video, is I'm going to take this hair mask and apply it to my shampooed hair. I've rinsed my shampoo out and everything, but I'm going to take this mask, put it all over my hair, and then take the Coco and Eve brush and brush it through my hair. This way I feel like it kind of like soaks into my hair and that isn't just like sitting on top of it. So make sure you take the brush and you brush through your hair. After I let that sit on my hair for 10 minutes, I get back in the shower and I rinse that completely out of my hair. When I'm done rinsing it, I don't do any conditioner, I don't do anything because the hair mask acts as my hair conditioner. So then I get out of the shower and I'm going to put product on my hair. First, you'll see in this other video that I use the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. This stuff I'm sure you guys have heard of before. It's amazing. After I use that, I use my Chi Infra Treatment, Thermal Protective Treatment on my hair. This just kind of helps it so that it doesn't get any heat damage. Finally, I use my I don't know how to say this. I'm gonna guess Marrakesh Oil, Argan and Hemp Oil Therapy. I usually typically do it on my ends and then a little bit on my front bangs because this is where I have the most breakage, clearly, and that's really it. Pretty easy, pretty simple, and it literally leaves my hair feeling amazing. So before I start curling my hair, I'm going to explain to you what I think the most important ways to achieve this hairstyle are. First, clean hair. Personally, I like to do these curls right when I get out of the shower or blow dry my hair. Plus, it's easiest for me to separate my hair, which leads me to my point number 2. You're gonna have to take big pieces of hair doing this. And then third, you're gonna want your curling iron to be on its highest heat. I am going to be using a 1.5 inch barrel for these curls, and yeah, that's it. So what you're gonna wanna do initially is grab a really big piece of hair for your bangs. And then you're gonna curl everything to the back. I typically like to pull these bangs in front of my face. I clamp it pretty high for this one, and then just slowly pull it out. So I'll turn it once and then pull the rest of it. After I do my bangs, I'm going to go to the back of my head and take another big section of hair. So it'll be like splitting the top into two, so you have one piece here and one piece back here. And I have a lot of hair, so this should be pretty doable for people who don't have too much hair, or even if you do, I don't think that this is that hard to achieve with a lot of hair. Again, clamping it and flipping it over, holding it for a second, twisting it out, and pulling it down. Now I'm going to split these in half and move on to the middle section of my hair. This video. This is the final look. It literally takes 5 minutes. All you have to do is take bigger pieces of hair, have your curling iron on high heat, and clean hair is always good to help separate your hair. Also, one of the most important ways to achieve this look is to have healthy hair. I think that I achieve that best when I'm using my Coco and Eve hair mask. This stuff is amazing, you guys. I cannot rave about it enough. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you have any questions, comment down below or DM me on Instagram. As always, I love to talk, so DM me, let me know what other things you want to see, and I will get right on that. Love you so much. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye.